from Ishow, and I'll have the link to the original video down below so you can see my initial thoughts on these bundles. But I love this hair still. Like, it's so dense still. Like, it's so freaking dense. So anyway, I just really like long dense wigs, but this is like my kind of dense. I don't like it like too thick, because you know, then I feel like I can't breathe. But the hair is so manageable and light. And I've been washing and putting heat on it, and washing, putting more heat. Like, these bundles are amazing. I went ahead, I did a little ponytail at the top with the 4x4 closure that I have. And then now I'm just gonna curl it. Let me show y'all the inside of the wig. The wig that I made is a slap on and go. So it's just a regular wig cap with a thick band. It's a closure, and I just make it to the size of my head, and then I just pop it on, and I don't have to do anything. The wig. So, no glue, no nothing, because baby, remember, wig cap. Slap this on. Okay? Okay. Okay. So, just finger combing these curls out. And baby, we ready to go to Instagram, okay? We are ready to go to Instagram. Like, girl, thank you. Cause I'm a savage. Classy, juicy, ratchet. I don't know the words. This hair, y'all, look how this hair got me together. That's gonna be the end of this get ready with me video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful, and I will have the hair description down below. Thank y'all guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.